people at UNC, they'll help you teach yourself about you. They encourage you to be social, just be active. They encourage you to, if you had that dream when you're in 3rd grade, pursue it still.
When I got here, it was just the professors, the atmosphere was something I really enjoyed and liked. So it's like, even though I was away from home, it was like I found home again.
The campus is just so beautiful. And I personally feel like it's one of the most beautiful campuses like in Colorado.
You know, the more I'm here, the more I love the campus because you find new things about it every day. It's a really cool blend of people from all over, and you know, Colorado just gets real outdoorsy, so people are real excited to do stuff, ready to be outside.
There's clubs and orgs and offices all around campus that want to welcome people in with open arms and want to help you as a student get plugged in, and people just really want to help you find what you're passionate about. I think having been a transfer student, I've learned that regardless of when you come in, you still have the opportunity to make an impact. For me, I was able to get elected in Student Senate as a counselor and then as student body president soon after I transferred. When you come in at any point, you can have that impact if you just get engaged in the campus community.
As a first-generation student, I always thought that college wasn't necessarily an option. I started at a community college level, and it wasn't until my 2nd year at the community college that I realized I wanted to further the education. So I transferred from Ames Community College here to UNC, and all of my credits did transfer with no issues. I think that the communication between the two institutions really helped.
Every year, about 1/4 of our incoming class is transfer students. So I think there's also a perspective of, if I'm a transfer student, I might be the only one who's going through what I'm going through. But the reality is, 1 in every 4 people that you come across transferred to UNC. That first week of school, there are multiple opportunities to really get connected on campus.
Having that transfer student orientation really helped because I could visually see that there were so many other transfer students, and I actually made friends with them at the orientation, and then I see them in my classes and I see them on campus, and it was nice to have a face to recognize when I first got here.
The class sizes are smaller, you get to know your professors, get to know people more, you see familiar faces on campus, everyone says hi, everyone helps you in class if you need it. That just makes UNC great to me.
What I appreciate most about the professors at UNC is how personable they are. The class sizes really allow them to help you individually while also steering the whole class in the right direction.
My decision to get a 4-year degree felt like it was something that needed to be done in order to set me up for an opportunity later on in life. UNC was a good cost for me because it was in-state for me. I do receive financial aid, which is a large portion of what helps me, and then I apply for any and all scholarships. I do the universal one and various other private ones.
You're gonna fit in no matter what you like. No matter what your interests are, UNC's gonna have it.